Welcome back, guys. बस गाड़ी साफ कर रहा हूँ, शीशे साफ कर रहा हूँ because we are heading to Falls Creek. So we're gonna go there to Rocky Valley Dam. You would have seen that in one of my previous videos, but today the weather is like really nice, so we just wanna go ahead and have that explored a bit. So just stay tuned. गाड़ी साफ करके शीशे चमका के निकलते हैं यहाँ से. Here comes Summer and Manny. Going to pick up food. Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Manmeet is on the driver's seat. She always is. But anyways, today is 31st October. The weather is really nice. The temperature here in Tawonga is 17 degrees and we are heading off to Falls Creek. And there's a place called Rocky Valley Dam where we are going today. We have been there once, but at that time the weather was not that great. But I'm expecting that today it will be lovely up there. But you know, there's a difference when we are in Tawonga. The weather down here, or the temperature down here is 17, but as soon as we hit Falls Creek, there's a difference of around about 6 or 7 degrees. So when I checked the weather app in the morning, Tawonga 17 degree हो रहा था, but उधर Falls Creek का check किया, so it was around about 10 degrees, so 7 degree difference. So and unfortunately क्या हुआ कि हमने Tawonga का weather देखा. यहाँ पे तो अच्छा गर्म weather था, 18, 19, 20, 21 degrees, and what we packed was pretty much just shorts and t-shirts, all the summer clothes. So we don't have like full-on jacket or something if it is cold. But we'll see how the weather is when we reach up there. Hey guys, you would see that there are a lot of cyclists on the road because Tawonga is also famous for this race that happens every year. It's called the Three Peaks race. That happens in the month of. It happens in the month of March every year, where they cover 3 peaks, basically Falls Creek, Mount Hotham, and then they go to Omeo and then go back to Falls Creek. And guys, ये मत भूलिए, ये पूरा पहाड़ी रास्ता है जहाँ पे ये बंदा साइकिल चला रहा है. आप देखिए, अभी आगे एक और जा रहा है हमारे. we have at least encountered 10 or 12. This is the, so basically ये इनका practice time है अभी. They are practicing right now. और यहाँ पे बड़ा dangerous होता है because एक मोड़, अगर मोड़ है तो we can't even overtake them because आगे से अगर कोई गाड़ी आ गई तो दिक्कत है. So this is how Falls Creek looks when there is no snow. So ये सारे पेड़ सूख के बिल्कुल ऐसे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगता है गाइस. एक और साइकिलिस्ट देखिए. बस हम अब फॉल्स क्रीक एंटर करने वाले हैं और हमारे पीछे एक बंदा लगा हुआ है जो ट्राइंग टू इम्पेशेंट है थोड़ा सा. बट ठीक है, बट वी कांट डू एनीथिंग. वी हैव साइकिलिस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. वो देखिए सामने वो फॉल्स क्रीक का एंट्रेंस. पहुंच गए हम. बस बहुत थोड़ी अब बर्फ़ रह गई है माउंटेन्स पे. और आपको दिखेगी हल्की सी, बहुत कम है. हेलो. Okay guys, welcome back. We're finally at the Rocky Valley Dam. मैं आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में ही ज़रा उसका व्यू दिखाऊंगा. Just came out of the car. मनमीत और समर चले गए हैं वॉक करने के लिए. I thought that I'll just quickly capture this for you guys. So just stay tuned. Guys, we have a biker gang here which we're gonna quickly capture it.
Not sure.
There are quite a few. Now we are at the Gaon village, guys. It's a small detour of around about 1.5 kilometers, but there is this beautiful village in this valley, and this is pretty much, it's in between nowhere, you know. There's a school in here. This is a फटाफट यहाँ का एक capture कर लिया जाए, and to show you around here, it's a beautiful location. Manny और Samar as usual बिल्कुल आगे चल रहे हैं, taking the lead. Whoa. And this is our Khiva river, जो हमारे गांव Tawonga में आती है. ये वही river है, guys. But it's coming from Falls Creek all the way. Beautiful place.